Don't panic. Great advice from Douglas Adams. Anyway, you're in a falling elevator and it's not a Disney ride. Bummer. What can you do to survive your inevitable doom? Well, let's first see what you shan't do. First, don't stand up. That's just stupid. I know it's proper elevator etiquette, but not when the cables just snapped. Why? Have you ever seen an accordion? Well, that's exactly what's gonna happen to your body with the strength of about 10 times your own weight. And the sound is not gonna be that good either. Second, don't jump. I know it sounds tempting to jump at the last moment and hope that you'll cancel out your fall. But physics don't work that way. You are in a metal cabin. There's no way you can predict the exact moment of impact. But if you manage somehow to jump at the last moment in a free fall, good luck with that, you would only decrease your fall by 2 miles per hour. That's nothing. This is not gonna save your life. And that's forgetting about the roof that's about to crush you. So let's get real. What you need to do is to redistribute the impact equally on your body. For that, you just have to lie flat, not jump. So first, lock your feet, because remember you're in a free fall, and then brace for impact. The shock will knock you down, and I'm talking brain damage. It's as if you were in a speeding car and experiencing a full stop without slowing down first. So yes, this is not ideal, but it's better than the accordion solution. But rest assured, there are less elevator falling down accidents in the world than people falling down empty elevator shafts because they weren't paying enough attention. Last note. If you find yourself trapped in a falling elevator with people, you can try to pile everybody up. Maybe someone will survive thanks to the other, but good luck trying to coordinate that with panicked people in a falling elevator. Next time, just take the stairs.